Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Messenger and go straight to the search bar. This is where you begin. Type the person's name, phone number, or a distinctive keyword from the conversation so Messenger surfaces relevant threads. Once done, switch to the Messages filter to remove contacts and groups from results. Make sure you are signed into the correct account. If you use multiple profiles, pick the one that sent or received the message. This quick focus prevents wasted scrolling and gets you to the right chat fast. Now you refine. Tap filters or the three-dot menu and pick date, attachments, or unread to cut noise. You can also open a likely conversation and use search in conversation to locate a specific phrase, link, or photo. This saves time when a long thread hides the message. If nothing shows, go check archived chats and message requests. Messages can be removed from your primary inbox or routed to requests if strangers or filtered content are involved. Finish by restoring or opening the found thread and reviewing the exact message. If it was archived, unarchive or move it back to inbox so it's easy to find later. If the message still isn't present, verify you're viewing the correct account and ensure device sync and app updates are current. As a final troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache or reinstall Messenger, and if the message was deleted server-side, contact support promptly. Sometimes retrieval requires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.